Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be sharing with you the 10 protein-packed foods that will become your ultimate weight loss allies. So, let's dive right in. Number 10. Greek yogurt. Packed with calcium and probiotics. This creamy delight not only helps you feel fuller for longer but also aids digestion. Number 9. Eggs. Start your day right with this protein powerhouse. Eggs are not only versatile but also packed with essential nutrients that support weight loss. Number 8. Lentils. These tiny legumes are bursting with plant-based protein and dietary fiber, making them the perfect addition to any weight loss meal plan. Number 7. Quinoa. Not only is quinoa a complete protein source, but it's also low in calories and packed with essential amino acids. A true superfood for weight loss. Number 6. Almonds. These crunchy treats are not only an excellent source of protein, but also a good source of healthy fats that can help increase satiety and control hunger. Number 5. Chicken breast. A lean source of protein, chicken breast can help you build muscle and boost your metabolism, making it an ideal choice for weight loss. Number 4. Chia seeds. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Chia seeds are a rich source of protein, fiber, and omega-3 fatty acids, making them a perfect addition to your weight loss journey. Number 3. Salmon. Packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Salmon not only promotes weight loss but also supports heart health. Number 2. Tofu. This plant-based protein is a great option for vegetarians and vegans. Tofu is low in calories and can be a versatile ingredient in your weight loss meals. And finally, the number 1 protein-packed food for weight loss is, drumroll, please, Greek yogurt again. Yes, it's that good. Greek yogurt takes the crown for its high protein content and its ability to keep you feeling satisfied throughout the day. Thanks for watching our video on the 10 top protein foods for weight loss. We hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.